This weather's absolutely ridiculous. Feels like spring. It like literally feels like spring's in the air. The good, the bad, and the ugly, right? Hey guys, welcome back to Pond Bank Farms. Yes, we sold some more hay. So I think we're coming to an end of our hay selling for this stuff anyway, to this customer. He's getting rid of his cattle soon, and we're almost out of the drier baleage, which is what he wants. Do have a new customer, a dairy farmer, that wants some of our wetter baleage. Possibly, we're gonna take a few bales from to try, see how they like it, see how his cows like it, and then he'll probably be getting quite a few bales if they do like it. Right now, the key is just not to get stuck. Should be fine. We do only have one wagon behind us. Made the mistake of taking the gravel road on the way home. Oh, look at my fenders. What a mess. Anyway, just going slow here. I'm almost to the paved road. And then I'm gonna put four bales onto the wagon, and Dad is gonna take it later on and see if this other guy likes it, or if his cows like it, I guess. Gorgeous day, by the way, as you can see. I don't know what the temperature is exactly. It says 10. Let's see there, 10 degrees. Wow, I got the AC on and I am warm in here. Not good, not good. We're gonna get winter this spring. I see our farm. Almost home. I don't know. This kind of weather makes me want to get the seed drill out. A little early maybe. In middle of February. Maybe. Time to mix feed. So due to my brother spilling a bunch of cinnamon heart candies on the floor, it smells like cinnamon in here. And I hate cinnamon. This tractor needs a cleaning anyway. As you can see, this tractor needs a wash in the worst way. However, it's a little pointless to wash something when the fields and the roads are like this, so I wait a bit. And I don't have time right now. Just got finished milking here. We had a problem with the one milker I gotta fix. You see these prongs here? This wire's getting too short and keeps pulling out. So there's actually 3 wires. The one's not used, so I'm gonna switch it over to that side. But that starts with up here. So this is the cord here. We're gonna take this gray wire, strip the ends, and put it in instead of the brown. Alrighty, got the milker all fixed up, put back together. Sorry I didn't show me fixing it, but it was kind of a in-depth 2-hand job, and I had nowhere to set my camera, so got her fixed up. And so as you can see, it lights up. Those wires are how this gets powered. That doesn't work, the milker doesn't work. Anyway, done the milk house now, and that's it for the night. But you know what? We'll be back at it early in the morning. Good morning. I slept in a bit this morning. I thought I had my alarm set and it wasn't set. Slept in about 45 minutes or so, so it could be worse considering I sleep like a log. But yeah, not the greatest thing for the cows. 12-hour periods are better, milking every 12 hours. So we had just enough rain last night to turn everything into ice. Just starting the mixer. Gonna unload the batch that I mixed yesterday. Put water in and unload it before breakfast. Unloading feed. Okay, my next project is to unhook the manure spreader and get the 7250 hooked onto the disc so it's ready to go for spring. I'm not sure. I think there might be a little bit I could do on the disc if I get time. Wiring harness for one of the blinkers is messed up. For one of the blinkers on the disc, we kind of, when it was upright, we tipped it, rolled it, or didn't roll it, tipped it on its side. Our dad was driving it a few years ago there, and then that's when that happened. I'm just gonna take the PDO shaft off here and throw it in the shop. It really slides hard back and forth. I think it's the shield here. I'm gonna take it apart and just see what I can do to make that a bit easier. Okay, got the disc hooked up. Good enough for now. Maybe one of these days I can get it over to the shop and needs a grease fitting somewhere that was out, and the wiring harness, and possibly some things on the hydraulic coupler seals on the back end on the tractor. Okay, we sold more hay again. Yeah, you might wonder why we have so many baleage bales around. If there's anything my dad abhors, it's buying feed-in. If we're doing first cut the next year and we don't have like 300, 400 bales left, it was too close for him. And in that transition to me too, I guess. It's, if you're growing it anyway, get as good a crop as you can and make sure you have enough feed. And yeah, it's we don't like to buy too much feed in, I guess. One year I sold some corn. I sold too much and we had to buy more in. Now we had sold it for actually more than we bought the next stuff in a few months after, and my dad was still unhappy with me. I thought it was a pretty good decision, but Dad absolutely hates buying feed in. This weather's absolutely ridiculous. Feels like spring. It like literally feels like spring's in the air, and you know it's not. It's like February, end of February, not even. Alrighty, 6 bales. That's what was ordered. Good enough. The water is melting. I should say the snow is melting. Water doesn't melt. Okay. Got that sprocket tightened up on the other end. Just tightening this sprocket right here right now, the set screw. Good enough. Okay. We got everything together. Spaced right. Looking good, looking good. Looking good. We fixed it. We fixed it. Yay! Now, we gotta bolt that centerpiece on yet. Through the bottom piece there, there's some holes. Bolt that on. We gotta put this apparatus on over top. So the sprockets go like through here and the end here. And that's the challenging part. But I gotta go eat. It's lunchtime, or lately I'm having 2 meals a day because the way it works out with chores. So it's 3 o'clock now. I'm gonna go eat and then it'll be chore time. Ready for lunch? Yes. The snow is melting at rapid speeds, but it's supposed to get cold this weekend. So, oh, spring's not here yet. A little over halfway done milking now. Just gotta work our way down to there. Hey, my favorite part about milking, finishing. No, I don't mind milking too bad, but we are done for the night. And tomorrow morning, we're gonna be getting up a little later. I shouldn't probably say this, but we're getting up like half an hour later or an hour later. Starting milking a little later. Just we're weighing milk tomorrow morning. So you'll be able to see how that works tomorrow morning. We'll see you then. Morning. We are at it. So these just get connected to the milker, and a certain percentage of milk comes in here, and that's how much they milk. I believe these are pounds. Or kgs. These are kgs, sorry. Yeah. So when we do this, we normally do Jake and I milk together. Our dad and Jake, or dad and I, whoever's doing it, and then one person will get the cows ready, one person moves the milk, kind of thing. And then we run with 6 milkers. Finishing up. We're almost done milking here. Just gotta go in and turn the water on here. Okay, so just finishing up the milk house here now. We keep these on for the wash, clean everything out, and then we'll take them off. And that is the end of weighing milk for this morning. If you weigh milk, I think it's once a month or so. Okay, pipe changed, heat dip cups filled, and the filter cleaned. We are done with the milk house. The washer is ready to be started. Now it's breakfast time. Good evening. Evening milk time again here. I'm just unhooking these from the milkers and putting them away up here before we get started. Attach the hoses back up. And we are started. Just got the first 3 milkers on. Let's go. Finishing up.